Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create this video where you can show yourself as a bride. So if you want to create yourself as a bride, then let me show you how to do this. So to create this video trend, you need TikTok and you'll need CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store and your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Now once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. In the app, you want to go ahead and tap on search, and you're searching for the following account: Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and tap on users and go ahead and visit the profile page for this account, Test the Simple Dad. Now if you look down below here, you'll see all the videos that are published. You're looking for this wedding filter, which looks like this. Go ahead and tap on this. Now this is the wedding filter which we're going to use. Now just above the username, you'll find this CapCut button, which is CapCut Try This Template. So go ahead and tap on it. This will now show you the template which you're going to use. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. And then tap on Use Template. Now go ahead and take a picture of yourself. Then tap on Next. Now let AI do its thing on your photos, which will basically convert you or change you into a bride. Now once that's done, it'll then show you what you would look like as a bride. So once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right, and then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now you can go ahead and tap Next and then publish this video to your TikTok account. So there you go guys. That is how to create this video trend to make yourself look like a bride. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.